The primary appraisal was his initial reaction. He was upset. The secondary appraisal were his two new considerations. He realized he just left it at home, he didn't have to buy a new one, which was great, and he also realized it was nice to get some exercise and be outside for a while. In both of these examples, we see how important it is and useful it can be to engage in secondary appraisal. We can learn a lot from taking a step back and reanalyzing a situation. Now let's switch gears a little bit and look at the physiological components of stress.